Welcome to Textile Tip Zone. Garments production planning step by step is today's topic. Garments production planning is a multi-step process for ensuring timely delivery, optimal resources utilization, and maintaining is necessary. Garments production planning objectives fulfilled by two steps. Phase A, pre-production planning. Phase B, production execution planning. Phase A, pre-production planning. There are some steps which need to do complete on time. Pre-production planning steps are design and concept development, take pack creation. Once a design is approved, then buyer send the take pack to the factory merchandiser through buying house. Take pack contain technical drawing, bill of material list, fabrics construction, stitching details, colorway and size wise breakdown, measurement specifications, and tolerances. 3. Material sourcing and testing, pattern making, sample making and evaluation, costing, final sample and approval, and purchase order creation. Phase B, production execution planning. 1. Bulk material purchase, grading, size wise grading. 3. Marker making. 4. Fabric spreading, cutting process. Then sorting and bundling. That sewing and assembling, washing, finishing, quality control and final inspection, packing and cartooning, dispatch and shipment. Key consideration for effective planning: on time and action calendar, capacity planning, inventory management, lean manufacturing process principle, communication, flexibility, and technology. This all are need to. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.